45 inmates have tested positive for COVID-19 at one of Cameron County's detention facilities. 46 employees also infected. As Channel 5's Rudy Mireles reports, a phone call prompted mass testing.
Luz Ramirez has always written everything down in her little black notebook.
Anything that I feel it's important, I write down.
Dates, conversations, to-do lists. Now, a list of names.
Since the first call that my husband did, I told him, you know what? I want for you to get all the names from the inmates so we could put them in prayers.
Her husband, detained in the Ruben M. Torres Detention Center, called Saturday night. He was scared.
When he called me, that was Saturday night, he was okay. He had no fever. He's like, from all of us in here, it's myself and like, you want to say like 3 more that we've been okay with no fevers.
Detained on federal re-entry charges, her husband said 15 of the 19 inmates in his cell showed symptoms. He and 3 others were worried, but fine. That would change by morning.
And he said, well, I mean, I don't have no sense. I mean, my sense of smell, it's gone. My sense of taste is gone. I mean, I put the Clorox in my nose and it's just, the smoke's not there.
Worried, she went straight to the top.
Omar Lucio, yes. I notified him and he's been very, he was very courteous, very nice and, you know, responding back as soon as he saw the message.
Another name on her prayer list, Chief Deputy Gus Reyna. He says they're working to prevent the outbreak from spreading.
We're taking all types of protocol. We have plenty of disinfectants. We are now officers are wearing their gloves and masks, and we are even issuing masks to the inmates to make sure that we have control of the situation.
Since Ramirez reached out, all inmates in the Brownsville facility have been tested. Seeing the numbers, Reyna says they will test every inmate and employee in the county's jails. He says, like every organization, losing staff to COVID-19 hurts.
At this point, we're meeting the requirements that the Jail Commission requires us to meet. We have notified the Jail Commission of the situation that we have, but at this point, we're still utilizing overtime so that we can comply with the Jail Commission rules and regulations.
But they're getting help to protect everyone under their roof.
We're contracting through the Emergency Management Office to have additional nurses so that we do not interfere with the daily operations of the medical department.
Earlier today, Ramirez called Channel 5 News to update her husband's situation. She told us her husband was one of the 45 inmates who tested positive for COVID-19. In Brownsville, Rudy Mireles, Channel 5 News.